Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. How to remove Apple ID with Find My Enable. Way 1. Reset Apple ID password. Open Settings, tap Apple ID, and select Sign In and Security. Tap Change Password. Enter your screen passcode and create a new Apple ID password. You can also reset Apple ID password on I Forgot page. Way 2. Remove Apple ID with Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. As you can see, Find My is turned on in this iPhone 11. If your iOS version is later than 11.4, Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker is a good choice. Click Unlock Apple ID. Click Start. Please make sure your two-factor authentication is enabled. And the device has set up screen lock. Click Confirm to proceed to the next step. Check the device information. Click Download to start downloading and verifying the firmware package. Click Unlock to start removing the Apple ID. After successful removal, follow the instructions to enter the device screen passcode to activate the iPhone. Way 3. Use iCloud or Find My. Open a network-connected browser and take yourself to iCloud.com. Click on the Sign In button to access your iCloud account. Under All Devices list, find and select your target iOS device. Among all options, choose Erase this device to erase all content in settings, Apple ID included.